So I think it's good time to start vlogging again. I lost my phone and I haven't found my phone, or it got stolen or something. So I bought a new phone. I have iPhone 11 now. So the quality should be a little bit better. I'm able to start traveling again. I only have 3 weeks left in here. So I just try to go see Queenstown and maybe some other places from South Island what I can by bus. Then I go to Wellington and I have my farewell party. And yeah, then I go to Auckland and then there I take my flight back to Finland. I'm just here in my hostel room. I took all my stuff out and I'm like organizing everything before I have to leave tomorrow morning. So I'm on my way to Queenstown now, and the bus stopped here in Lake Takapo. And I mean, fucking hell, it's so gorgeous in here. I think I go to buy some snacks from the shop and then go back to the bus. Sorry if there is car noises in the background, but I'm waiting bus to get to this place called Arthur's Point, and I'm trying to take some cool drone footage there. But yeah, I haven't really been explaining a lot, so basically I came to Queenstown 3 days ago or 4 days ago, last Sunday, last Wednesday. And yeah, I've been just meeting some new people, but it's been really nice. And yeah, yesterday I went to these mountains and take really cool drone videos. I probably already added them to this video. And yeah, now I'm like so excited to go film even more drone videos. But yeah. So there is road going there and I walk all the way down here and find this spot where I was planning to fly the drone, and the river goes there. But I don't know, it's like I was trying to make like a nice area where it can like take off and land, but I don't know, it's still a bit risky because there's so much stuff around. So I mean, I know that I can get it to the air, but then I don't know when I'm coming back if it's like giving all these warnings like, oh, there's something too close to me, I can't land. Also, there is these speedboats going on the river there. So I mean, if they would see me flying the drone, I don't know if that would be like really illegal or if they wouldn't even care. So I think I might have to go find a new spot. Okay, no, I'm not gonna fall down. But if you find this video and I'm missing, I probably fall down there. So that's nice. No, it's not that bad. I'm gonna be okay. Oh, actually, did I just find myself a better spot to go fly with my drone? Oh my god. Hello view. I don't know. I think I'm gonna do it. I'm shaking. Oh wow. Hello beauty. Oh my god, maybe that was a sign that it's all safe, because I was just about to say that I'm gonna try. Like, yeah, the only thing what I'm worried about is how I'm gonna land it back here, but let's hope it's gonna go all good. I don't know. Is it only me who gets like this much adrenaline when they're flying drone? Or not always, but I was like flying the drone back here, and the thing what I was scared that it's like there's too much stuff, so it can't like land here. So the only place where I got it was like above here. And obviously I can't land it here because like it would drop to the water and stuff. So I have seen videos when people do that, like that they land it on their hand. So like I was trying to do that, or I did it. So I was like literally being like here under the drone, and I put like land and grab the drone. And I was like, okay, now I break it. And then I was just like force landing, and then it landed to my hand. Well, now I know that I know how to do that, so that's good. It's so nice to see the autumn colors and stuff, because obviously it's been summer here and now it's gonna be autumn, and when I go back to Finland it's gonna be summer again. So like I get the best parts, but I skip the winter. So yeah, that's quite nice. I find the phone. I think they just walked past me. Sorry guys, did you drop your phone?
Sorry?
Did you drop your phone? It was... Are you sure?
Yes, that's fine.
Do you have to
These
call?
are the kids. Yes, check this out.
Are you
Where
sure?
did you find it?
Yeah, it was like right there, like when you have to
Ah,
walk
when I had to
over
climb.
there.
When I
Yeah.
had to climb.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. Have a good
thank
day.
you so much.
Yeah, of course. I wish someone would have done that to my phone when I lost it. I was sure that it's their phone because the kids on the background and stuff. But yeah, I wanted to ask, cause like he was like right away when I was, did you lost your phone? He didn't even like check his pocket. He was like, yes. So I was like, are you sure? Like, okay, so he probably saw the phone, so he saw that it was his. But like, that's why I was like, can you put the code? Cause like I wasn't sure. But yeah, he put the code and it was his phone, and he had the background photo of his kids, so. And she have fun friends and stuff in here. I'm walking to Queenstown Hill. I have heard that there's really nice views from there. And on my way up there, like, there is this place for ferries. And I mean, this is so cute. I've been here like probably 15 minutes just taking photos of everything. But yeah, there's the sign. Ferries meeting place. Honestly, Queenstown is probably the coolest place where I've been so far. This is like, all these views are like so beautiful, like I just can't get enough from this. It's so weird that I only have less than a couple weeks left here in New Zealand before going back to Finland. I mean, I'm so happy to go back to Finland and see all my family and friends and stuff. But at the same time, it's just like, now when I've been here in Queenstown, I would love to stay here for longer. It's so cool and like, yeah. Now I came even higher. Yeah. Well, like now after I've been traveling, I have had time to think like my life in Finland, my life in general. Sometimes going even quite deep into myself. I have had a lot of time to like think about stuff way deeply than maybe normally when you're like working and you know your life is like going fast. I know that when I just have the money or whatever I need to like start traveling again. Like I'm just gonna continue traveling. Like even if like I even would love to travel more in Finland. Like now when I've been traveling a lot here in New Zealand, I have realized that I haven't even traveled so much in Finland. And in Finland we have really beautiful nature and stuff as well. And now it's like the perfect timing to travel your own home country. So yeah, whatever it is, but like where I'm gonna travel next. Like I mean, I should just enjoy now traveling here. Like I'm already thinking about where I'm gonna travel next. But like yeah, that's just like how much passion I have for like meeting new people, seeing new places, seeing all the beautiful nature what we have here in like our world. Like it's just so crazy. There's so many cool places. Like I have only like saw like this amount of like all the places in the world. Like there's so much to see. And like just the lifestyle of like, you know, being free and, you know, like it's just so amazing. Like I fucking love it. I mean, yeah, you need to, you know, make money and do work and stuff, but I'm gonna manifest and like do stuff that makes me to have the freedom to be able to travel in future. And like I don't know, whatever it takes, but I'm gonna do it. And I hope you're gonna do the thing what you love as well, and don't give up on your dreams.